Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your freelance success with Patreon step by step clearly. Start by identifying your freelance niche and target audience. Consider what unique skills and services you can offer. Research successful freelancers in your niche who are using Patreon. Analyze their strategies and see what can be adapted for your own approach. Create a Patreon account if you haven't already done so. Choose a suitable tier structure that reflects your offerings. Define what exclusive content or perks each tier will provide. Ensure that your rewards are enticing yet manageable for you to deliver. Make a compelling introductory video that explains who you are and what patrons can expect. Craft detailed descriptions for each tier, emphasizing the value they bring. Promote your Patreon on your existing social media platforms. Share behind-the-scenes looks at your freelance work to generate interest. Consider offering exclusive content, such as tutorials or workshops, for patrons. Engage with your audience to create a sense of community around your work. Encourage feedback from your patrons to refine your offerings. Utilize milestone goals to motivate your audience to support you further. Regularly update your patrons about your progress and upcoming projects. Consider collaborating with other creators to expand your reach. Use your Patreon earnings strategically to reinvest in your freelance business. Monitor your metrics regularly to understand what works best. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and performance to continually improve. Stay consistent with your content delivery to maintain patron trust. Always strive to provide value and enhance the overall patron experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.